Your first question: in which country diamond was first discovered? Option A India, B China, C Russia, D Japan. Right answer is option A India. Second question: where is the headquarter of RBI located? Option A Kolkata, B Mumbai, C Delhi, D Chennai. Right answer is option B Mumbai. Third question: who is the most richest person in the world in 2024? Option A Anil Ambani, B Bill Gates, C Elon Musk, D Mukesh Ambani. Right answer is option C Elon Musk. Fourth question: Bangalore is the capital city of which state? Option A Haryana, B Karnataka, C Uttar Pradesh, D Andhra Pradesh. Right answer is option B Karnataka. Fifth question: which city is called the city of temples? Option A Varanasi, B Patna, C Agra, D Prayagraj. Right answer is option A Varanasi. Sixth question: which continent is known as the continent of New World? Option A South America, B North America, C Asia, D Europe. Right answer is option B North America. Seventh question: how many players are there on the each side of the basketball game? Option A 9 players, B 5 players, C 4 players, D 11 players. Right answer is option B 5 players. Eighth question: as of today the longest epic in the world is? Option A Panchatantra, B Shivapuran, C Ramayana, D Mahabharat. Right answer is option D Mahabharat. Ninth question: which sea considered the most salty in the world? Option A Red Sea, B Black Sea, C Dead Sea, D Arabian Sea. Right answer is option C Dead Sea. 10th question: which country has most number of dams in the world? Option A Japan, B United States, B C India, D Russia. Right answer is option B United States. 11th question: rupees in the currency of which country? Option A Africa, B Russia, C India, D America. Right answer is option C India. 12th question. Which vitamin is not found in the fruits and vegetables? Option A, vitamin B, B, vitamin A, C, vitamin C, D, vitamin D. Right answer, option D, vitamin D. 13th question. What is the total number of characters in the Kannada alphabet? Option A, 26, B, 52, C, 49, D, 38. Right answer is option C, 49. 14th question. In which country the most number of earthquakes occurs? Option A, Germany, B, Japan, C, Indonesia, D, Pakistan. Right answer is option B, Japan. 15th question. Which country is known as the land of lilies? Option A, America, B, India, C, Canada, D, Japan. Right answer is option C, Canada. 16th question. Which country first invented the matchbox? Option A, Japan, B, Britain, C, Africa, D, Russia. Right answer is option B, Britain. 17th question. Which chemical element is used in the manufacture of glass? Option A, silicon, B, sodium, C, phosphorus, D, silver. Right answer is option A, silicon. Your 18th question. In which river of India are diamonds found? Option A, Yamuna, B, Ganga, C, Krishna, D, Godavari. Right answer is option C, Krishna river. 19th question. What is the national sport of India? Option A, Kabaddi, B, football, C, chess, D, hockey. Right answer is option D, hockey. 20 question. Apple is the national fruit of which country? Option A, Germany, B, Japan, C, India, D, Bangladesh. Right answer is option A, Germany. 21 question. Which country has no mosquito? Option A, Greenland, B, Iceland, C, Russia, D, Malaysia. Right answer is option B, Iceland. 22 question. Which state of the India most educated people? Option A, Rajasthan, B, Uttar Pradesh, C, Kerala, D, Karnataka. Right answer is option C, Kerala. 23 question. How many times Brazil won the World Cup? Option A 2 times, B 10 times, C 3 times, D 5 times. Right answer is option D 5 times. 24th question. Which bird flies backwards? Option A hummingbird, B Neelkhand, C eagle, D sparrow. Right answer is option A hummingbird. Your 25th question. Charminar is located in which city of India? Option A Mumbai, B Hyderabad, C Bangalore, D Kolkata. Right answer is option B Hyderabad. 26th question. Which creature has the longest lifespan? Option A shark, B dolphin, C tortoise, D whale. Right answer is option C tortoise. 27th question. Which state is known as the rice bowl of India? Option A Karnataka, B Uttar Pradesh, C Madhya Pradesh, D Andhra Pradesh. Right answer is option D Andhra Pradesh. 28th question. Who opened the first school for girls in India? Option A Savitribai Phule, B Indira Gandhi, C Bachendri Pal, D Sarojini Naidu. Right answer is option A Savitribai Phule. 29th question. What is the commercial capital of India? Option A New Delhi, B Mumbai, C Bangalore, D Chennai. Right answer is option B Mumbai. 30 question. Who is the author of the world's longest epic Mahabharat? Option A Kalidas, B Kumar Vyas, C Veda Vyas, D Valmiki. Right answer is option C Veda Vyas. 31 question. Amaravati is the capital city of which state? Option A Andhra Pradesh, B Gujarat, C Karnataka, D Tamil Nadu. Right answer is option A Andhra Pradesh. 32 question. Who was the first Indian woman to receive the Nobel Prize? Option A Indira Gandhi, B Mother Teresa, C Sarojini Naidu, D Amartya Sen. Right answer is option B Mother Teresa. 33 question. Which city in India is known as the city of wars? Option A Mysore, B Delhi, C Panipat, D Arian. Right answer is option C Panipat. 34th question. Which Indian state is known as the God's own country? Option A. Tamil Nadu, B. Karnataka, C. West Bengal, D. Kerala. Right answer is option D. Kerala. 35th question. Which Indian state is known as the land of rising sun? Option A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Mizoram, D. Meghalaya. Right answer is option A. Arunachal Pradesh. 36th question. Which animal milk contains the most protein? Option A. Cow, B. Sheep, C. Buffalo, D. Camel. Right answer is option B. Sheep. Your 37th question. How many hearts are there in a day? Option A. 26, B. 25, C. 24, D. 12. Right answer is option C. 24 hours in a day. 38th question. Vivo is company of which country? Option A. China, B. India, C. Pakistan, D. Sri Lanka. Right answer is option A. China. 39th question. Which animal gives both milk and eggs? Option A. Kangaroo, B. Cow, C. Platypus, D. Rabbit. Right answer is option C. Platypus. Your 40 and last question. What is the capital of India? Option A. New Delhi, B. Bangalore, C. Mumbai, D. Chennai. Guess the correct answer. Comment the box. Comment the correct answer. Thanks for watching. Love you all guys.